Hey guys, we're back. I'm just refilling my soda here. So, let's put this back on. There we go. I had a really nice hot dog for my lunch. But now we are leaving. We're going to the Schwartz Cones and Candy now. So, let's go. Hey Dad, are you an executive member?
Uh-huh.
You paid $120 for an executive member card?
But with it comes a 2% cash back reward.
I see. Well. Ugh.
Thank you.
All right. With the snap of my fingers, we will be at the Schwartz. Okay, guys, so the weirdest thing just happened. So, CJ was picky. He didn't want to eat the Costco's hot dogs. So, we went to this Wendy's here. And apparently, there was like some kind of private party going on. So, my dad walked in and, well, let's just say, I'm just going to say it, he got food for free.
It wasn't even
My
open
dad
yet.
got food for free.
It wasn't open yet.
And it's probably the most embarrassing thing that has ever happened to him.
No.
Yeah. Anyway, CJ, you better eat quick because next stop is Schwartz. I forgot how to say it again.
There is a
Cones and Candy.
cover in this van.
That was amazing. All right, guys, we are back at Cannon Beach, and we are starting to get to the Schwartz's Cones and Candy.
Hey, I know there's for sure a bathroom on the other side of the street.
Really?
Around the, where the...
Yeah, Zachary needs to pee.
Don't
He's
say
having
that.
bladder control.
Probably here
Pill.
Bladder control.
You need to take bladder control pills. Just kidding. Okay, so here's the place. Schwartz Cones and Candy. I can't wait for the ice cream.
Let's go, balls.
Is that a fun dip? Oh, let me wait. 19. No, it's just ice cream, okay?
I want candy.
Yes, we have Hershey. No, CJ, we're here. No, we're here for the ice cream, CJ. So let's go. Zachary, I don't think there's a bathroom here. I don't know. Ooh, gumballs. Oh, there's a bathroom up there. I like the music. Let's see what kind of ice creams they got. Let's see. Tillamook nut slide, vanilla, Oregon strawberry. Okay. Okay. Dad.
What?
They have cookies and cream ice cream.
They do? Oh,
I'm
it's your
getting that.
favorite.
I'm getting that. You know it. I'm just gonna look at what kind of candy they have though, just because I'm curious.
Huh?
I'm gonna look at the candy just because I'm curious. Those are the ice cream sizes. Which one are we getting?
Cake, sugar, or waffle?
I want this one. Maybe. Or maybe the waffle. I don't know. Anyway. Ooh. Anyway. So, this is the Squirches, Cones, and Candy. Wow. Have you guys ever heard of Razzles? Honestly, I've never heard of Razzles. It seemed like a nice candy, though. They have bottle caps. I'm gonna get bottle caps at the convenience store. Dad, it seems like I'm seeing these everywhere in Oregon.
What about the roll? The
Oh.
roll's cheaper.
Chuck E. Cheese. This looks like Chuck E. Cheese.
What are they? What is it? Bottle cap?
Bottle caps? Yeah. I don't see them in the roll version though. I mean, not that I can see.
We are not here for toys, CJ. We came for ice cream and then you said you have candy. Instead, you want toys.
Hey CJ, come here. I found something that you like. Hubba Bubba.
That's not
But it's in the
kind I want.
max.
I want this.
Oh. Yeah, CJ's obsessed with Hubba Bubba. Mom, we found Hubba Bubba.
But Dad didn't.
Okay, you know what?
Dad
Something
ruined the
called the Easter
surprise.
Bunny.
Come on, we all know that
Might
it's
be
you.
bringing some.
We all know that it's you. Anyway, let's see the ice creams. See what kind of ice creams they got. Cookies and cream, vanilla, tiny pretzel, blueberry pie, ooh, fruity poppin' rocks, cotton candy, caramel caribou, huckleberry heaven, espresso, rainbow sherbet. Wow. What we got? Let's see. Chocolate and cookies and cream. Oh my gosh. People, do you see all this? Look at all these candies. Wow, I'm shocked. Have you guys heard of any of these? I mean, I've heard of those. Oh. Of course they have Peachios. They have gummy worms. These kind of look like those old candies that your grandmother would give you. Or something. Dad, I think I'm ready to get my ice cream now. And I'm getting the cookies and cream flavor, just so you know. Minions being boozled. Pencil. Oh my gosh. I found these Bean Boozled, like, Minion version. And look at the flavors that they have for the Minions. There's banana or pencil shavings. And sour apple or Minion fart. That's nasty. I don't want to eat Minion fart.
Nasty now when you have Bean Boozled that has nasty stuff.
I mean, this is
Hey,
Minion
CJ, look.
stuff. Ooh.
We have sticks.
I don't feel like one.
Those are good.
I just want ice cream. We're here, Dad. You said we're here for just ice
That's
cream.
what I said, but
Man,
no, those are cute.
I wonder if my name's in here. Is my name on here?
I don't know.
I want to see.
Jack.
I mean, Jack. My name.
Where?
My name.
Jackson.
My name.
Where's my name?
I don't think it's on here. I'm taking video. Videos are pretty much moving picture. CJ, I'm sorry, but your name isn't on here. Mom, my name's on here twice.
Twice.
Yeah. Oh, look, Mom. Look, come over here. Look, Jaden.
Oh my, is that how he spells it?
No, it's without. Mom, there's another one of me.
You should put it next to Jaden and take a picture. Like,
No.
Put it right here and go.
No way.
Show it to Jaden.
I'm not seeing.
Again, Jackson.
I'm not seeing Zachary.
You have to find Z. I don't find mine.
That's because you're on the wrong.
No, no, Sarah's.
Look on this side. Yeah, I'm not seeing Sarah. Prince.
I love Jesus.
Hey, look at that. Oh. Oh no.
Oh no.
Not this stuff.
What is that?
Toxic waste. The most sour candy on earth. CJ. Toxic waste.
How much chocolate?
If you guys want me to, I'll do a video with these. Dad, I think we're ready for the ice cream now.
Do you have any flavor? They probably give little samples.
Dad,
Yes, when I give you an
Dad.
ice cream cone if you get that.
Dad, can we ask them when we get samples?
Well, yeah, we came here for ice cream. Because last night we had fish and chips and you were already closed. But he all of a sudden found out you have candy, so he doesn't want ice cream.
CJ, candy is in the name of the establishment. So,
Do I only get one or can I have two?
Oh, you do have Marionberry pie.
that's what I'm saying.
Do I only get one or can I have two?
Nope,
Dad.
if you want candy, this is the only thing you're getting.
Dad,
What?
we get samples?
I think they have little sampling spoons.
Yeah, you get some like the same one.
Okay.
He can't ask you, he has to. Ooh, they have white chocolate raspberry.
Can I try the cookies and cream one?
Ooh, lemon meringue pie, that's great. Ooh, Marionberry sorbet.
Make sure you give her the employee pack. Yeah.
Can you pick a flavor?
Maybe it's like 20% or something.
Can I try the Marionberry pie?
Dad,
Mmm, that's good. That's good ice cream.
No. How much does it cost?
it doesn't say it. It says on
That's
the
a,
back.
that's good ice cream.
They don't have a price tag.
Are they playing like Michael Jackson?
We have it on the back.
Of course they have Pop Rocks too. What in the... CJ, look what I found. CJ. CJ, look. CJ. CJ, come here. Come here. No, CJ. CJ, come here.
I'm telling Dad if I can have this.
CJ, I gotta show you these.
It's a gaming controller.
CJ. CJ. CJ, look what I found. A gummy hot dog. And not only that, CJ, not only that, gummy pizza.
Yeah.
Which one has more calories? Seems like the hot dog has less. The hot dog one seems healthier. That's surprising. Anyway. Huh? Cookies and cream, definitely. Comment down below, guys, which one is your favorite ice cream flavor? Hey, CJ. CJ, you want to know what kind... I dropped it. This. You want to know what kind of...
No.
I know, but I want to see if
Why
he
are you
knows...
holding it
I want
then?
to see if he knows what controller from which video game console this is.
Nintendo.
Nintendo what?
Switch.
No. Nintendo Entertainment System. Like the NES, 1980s. I hope it didn't break any of the candies.
I can tell.
How can you tell? Oh. CJ.
The rainbow one.
Yes, CJ, there's a rainbow one.
Oh my gosh. Let me see. Can I just show that? Dad, I'm not getting this, but look, a rainbow.
I want to get, Dad,
Black one too.
Dad, I want to get either this one or this one. I think I'm going to go with this one. Which one gets more ice cream?
How are you guys doing?
Great.
Are we going to get some ice cream?
So he'd like to sample the mint chocolate chip.
Chocolate chip mint.
What did I say?
Mint chocolate chip.
Oh, I said it wrong.
You know what? I knew what you meant. You're good.
All right.
It's not green, but it tastes the same.
Can I try the Marionberry pie flavor?
Dad, can you?
Ooh, banana split.
Ooh, I want to try that one too.
Well, that one's tricky because it's got strawberry ice cream and it's got chocolate. But I'm curious how banana-y it is. Could I see how banana-y the banana split is?
Yeah, me too.
Dad said I could get it. The fans are so slow.
The what? Oh, the fans? Oh, they are pretty slow.
It's interesting.
Everybody else wants a sample.
Well, do you want to try any little flavor?
That is good.
Or just a sample.
I can taste the banana.
You would have to, Mom. You would have to ask her just like the other one.
So,
Whenever.
is that what you want?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get the
But when
cookies and
we
cream.
buy it, you have to ask her.
Have you guys ever been in a cookies and cream? I mean, an ice cream shop like this? Comment down below. Ooh. Oh, I actually have a story about one of these. I actually got one of these at school where it was like bacon flavored. And I thought I would like it since I like bacon. Not so much. It's like, ugh. Whoa. No way. What? Old Sweeterts. Hey, CJ. CJ. What? Come here. I want to show CJ these.
Where are you?
I'm over here.
Oh, on this side.
Yeah, look. Old-fashioned soda bottles. Like, look. Look, CJ. The Coca-Cola.
Oh my god.
That's the things Oleg used to give you, right? Our neighbor? Oh, man. Michael Jackson. Here we go. Anyway.
I just saw Mickey Mouse. What are these?
What are what?
Chicken.
Oh, the rubber chickens.
Chicken. Bacon, fake bacon.
Ooh.
Just get candy inside.
Huh?
I know I'm getting
Okay. Wait, is that mine?
Did you decide what you wanted?
Yeah, the cookies and cream. I told you.
And are you getting a waffle cone too?
Yes.
So a waffle with cookies and cream for this gentleman.
This, yeah. You don't have to call me a gentleman, though. Okay.
Where's Jackson?
I'm right here. That was good. Alright, thank you.
Dad.
And for you.
Dad.
Mom, are we allowed to eat it?
Dad's name. Dad. Dad. I'm gonna put it back, but look.
That's good. I'm gonna put down the camera to eat this, but I can promise you it'll be good. Bye. Alright guys, I'm back. I just went to that blue building right there. It's like a convenience store. My parents were there to get pizza for our dinner, but I wanted to do a little bit of shopping of my own. So, I have this bag. Sorry, it's raining out here. I have this bag full of things that I got. Dad was thinking like, you're gonna spend all your hard-earned money. And I had $20 in my wallet. All this that I have, which I'm gonna show you once I get back in the cabin, protected from the rain, it all came down to $9.80, which is like a little bit less than half of the money I had. And I came back with $5 I didn't spend at all, and I got 20 cents in change. So it's a win-win in my opinion. I'm gonna run. It's like really starting to get a little wet out here. Oh man. Vacations are supposed to be with nice weather, not bad weather like this. Like, my God. Gosh, sorry. parents are still over there, so. Oh. Gotta lock them out. Alright. Now, let's show y'all what I got in my bag. Sorry about that wait. Just wanted to lock the doors. Alright. Now let's show y'all what I got here today. First, there's my wallet. That is the $5 I didn't spend in it. Here's my 2 dimes. Yeah. I know my nails are long, don't judge me about it. Alright, so now let's get to what I got. Here, I'll set up my camera right there since there's a nice post. Alright, so the first thing I got here is a coffee beverage. Boom. Dunkin' Donuts iced coffee, French vanilla flavor. Now, honestly, I've never really had a Dunkin' Donuts coffee before, so let's hope this is good. And then, of course, I got some root beer, A&W, because, come on, root beer is good. Let's be honest. And then, I was hoping to get these all week, ever since I first saw them. Bottle caps. They're candies that are in the shape of bottle caps, and they're like soda. They taste a little bit like soda. So as you can see on the box, there's orange, cola, cherry, grape, and root beer flavors. So that should be exciting. Over here is a cookies and cream Oreo bar. Thought that would be nice. And then we ran out of these, like yesterday. Got some Pringles. I don't know why there's white specks. I thought that was festive, but it's not. I got some Pringles. So in all, I got 5 things and it totaled to just under $10. So if you want it to be mathematical, it's like about $2 per thing. But of course it's not. You know how the stock market is and such. So yeah, that's pretty much all I got. It was a nice time. So it was a nice time buying this. So yeah, that is it for this part. The last part, or the second to last part, will be me and my family eating pizza. And then I will record me and my dad playing another game of Battleship. And then that will be the end of this vlog. And sadly, tomorrow will be us packing and leaving Cannon Beach. Which I'll be sad for because, as you can see, this is a very nice cabin right here. If you remember in the house tour. I mean, sure, it's small, but it's nice. Anyway, I better hurry. My parents might be here any minute and I locked them out. So, just a little prank. Don't worry, it's not bad. But the winds are getting a little strong. Anyway, I'm getting off track. I'll see you guys in a few seconds. Hi guys, I am back where I started in the beginning of the video because you've made it to the end. I hope you guys enjoyed. Tomorrow will be our last day here. I mean, today was our last full day. Tomorrow we're packing, and then we're going back to Redmond, Washington. So, yeah, just wanted to make a quick little video at the end saying thanks for watching. Love you all to death, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Au revoir.